bullet journal week 4, the last one for the month of May. And since last week's was pretty simple, this one is a bit more on the complicated side. I am just using a jar here because it's a circle that is the size I want my spaces to be for this week, and I'm lightly tracing around it to keep things evenly spaced and neat. And now I'm going to fill each circle with a pale pink rose. Funny story, actually I hate roses. They are some of my least favorite flowers. I don't like how they smell. I hate the whole thorn thing. I don't like rosehip tea. There's just nothing good about them in my opinion, other than the fact that they're easy to draw. So you can use any light colored brush marker for this. I happen to be using my AceLayer brush pen. But I have done this with many others as well, so whatever you have will work. They are very simple. It's just a matter of going around and around and around, making tapered, curved petals that overlap each other until the rose is the right size. Make sure you erase the pencil guideline before you put the marker over top of it, or you won't be able to erase it afterwards. And you'll definitely be able to see it through the very light colored marker. Also, it helps if you vary the petals and make different parts bumpy. The more subtle, irregular lumps you have, the better they seem to look. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw me draw Saturday's rose. You can probably see me filming it for a second on my phone there. Anyway, after that I added a few leaves with a darker AceLayer brush pen, though they look a little more like palm fronds than leaves, but whatever, it's fine. After that I put the day of the week at the top of each flower along with the date, and I am using black here. I've been using a lot of gray in place of black this month because I think it looks nicer with the pink. But I had to use black here because it stands out better against the colored background. That's the reason that these needed to be a very light color of some kind, because in order to write over them and have the words be legible, it needs to be very subtle. And finally, the quote for the week: "A rose can never be a sunflower can never be a rose. All flowers are beautiful in their own way." From Miranda Kerr. And with that, May is finished. Wow. Mermaids totally took over my life. May is a fun challenge, but it was definitely stressful as far as making videos and uploading them on time, which I kind of failed at doing. I'm definitely looking forward to June. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye.